गाइस ये है आपकी आदर है चीची। तो अभी मैं आपको, अगर आपने हमारी 3 वीडियोस अभी नहीं देखी, अच्छा अस्सलाम वालेकुम। तो ये है मेरा फेवरेट कुत्ता फैमिली इज मेरी। तो अगर आपने हमारी इमी इमी वीडियो भी 3 वीडियोस नहीं देखी तो जरूर जाके और लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ना करना भूलना। तो अभी आप देख सकते हो, तो आपको सच से बता दूं, so guys let me tell you all truth, just so you can see the weather. So now it's going rain on. So let me tell you, my mother is Pakistani and my father is Nigerian. So we are like siblings, but not that type siblings who are same face everything. Not siblings. Means our father is Pakistani. No, our mother is Pakistani and our father is Nigerian. So mix and now we so guys, तो guys मैं आपको आगे का मौसम, तो ये है मौसम, ये है हमारी गाड़ी। So guys, this is the weather and this is our car. So I know English, Urdu, Punjabi, so I know this all. तो ये हमारी गाड़ी है और मेरा फालतू भाई को जरा देखो, देखो, देख रहे काम, काम चेक करो, गाड़ी so guys you can see like my big brother is too much silly. Like he just locked the car door from there. He forget to lock the car door from here. Now he locked the car door from there. Now he will enter from here. And
Hi.
look that small puppy dog.
Hi. Hi, Mr. Dog. What you doing in our
They
vase?
saying that rain is rain is falling. And look here, it's rain. Straight it. And it's out. Come on, let us go show. Come on. No. He said no. And you can see there, if you can zoom in, there was too many dogs. So now all of them I think has left. So now we're gonna do a prank. So now we're gonna do a challenge. Now in 10 counted, I supposed to run from here till that straight in 10 counted, back and come in one time. Okay, Saira.
Ready, steady, apple, go.
How much?
I guess 5 minutes.
Shakira,
Okay.
Shakira.
So, guys, this is raining weather. You can look up the weather. It is too cloudy up high in the sky, and you can look. I just love this weather. It's awesome here. You can look how the sky is bright and cloudy, and the plants are enjoying the wind blowing up here, and you can look everything. Everyone's here love this too much. Everyone here love this too much, and this is our street. This is our car. This our little garden. You can see
And
something
this is
like
our
that.
little dog.
And this is the dog, and you can look what he's doing with our flower vase. Unbelievable. He has made it a bed for himself, and I can't believe this what is happening. So I decided to share these views with you guys, and you can look. This is our bright morning, and we have shared this
And
bright
guys,
video.
I want to show you something more. Come in, guys.
Okay, guys, we're gonna show you something from Ina. Okay, let's go.